Install a durable garage decontamination sink near the entry to stop dirt and contaminants at the door. For a new home construction upgrade, plan the utility sink on the shortest water and drain run to reduce cost and maximize performance. Use a heavy-duty stainless steel or composite sink with a gooseneck faucet that accepts a hose for added reach and threaded fittings for a spray wand to rinse tools and boots. Position a frost-resistant hose bib on an exterior wall or in the garage bay at a height that allows pressure washing of muddy equipment and a threaded connection for a pressure washer hose. Finish the local floor area with either a bonded epoxy coating or small format non-slip tile set with a waterproof membrane underlayment to protect the subfloor and make cleaning simple. Install open shelving and a locked cabinet at waist height so cleaning chemicals are separated from footwear and children cannot reach them, and include a wall-mounted hose reel for the rinse hose to prevent kinks and tripping hazards. Run electrical to a protected outlet with ground fault circuit interrupter protection and place it well away from water spray paths for safe appliance hookup and charging of battery tools. 3 common mistakes are undersizing drain capacity, which causes slow drains and backups, choosing a decorative sink that cannot handle heavy use, and placing plumbing where freezing risks damage the lines. If the drain is too small, upgrade to a larger diameter trap and ensure a floor drain or properly sloped drain pan is included to handle washdown flow. If the sink material will take heavy impact and chemical exposure, select heavy gauge stainless or a reinforced composite and choose replaceable strainers to protect the trap. If lines run through unheated cavities, insulate or reroute them inside conditioned space and fit frost-proof exterior valves to prevent freeze damage and costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like garage decontamination sink upgrades by letting us list jobs, find local pros, and compare work examples. We also host a discussion community where we, our neighbors, and tradespeople exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world installation advice.